today. Hey guys, so I'm just playing with my big sister. So, I need to do this.
Right. I get 3 tries.
No.
Unless I didn't even do anything.
Yeah, Phil.
Alright, 1.
No, Tony, come on.
Alright, I'm gonna be in here. It's gonna be like this. And in 3, they're gonna let me out.
No, I'm fully gonna let you out.
Hurry up before they let them out.
No, Tony, you can't take that. Just do that.
Oh, this is okay. 1,
No.
10, 7.
Tony! Stop.
Aha! Wait till I get that.
Tiny, how do you do the blue one?
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties.
His name always gets to me because
Okay, you ready?
No, stop! I need to do something.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Alright, my turn to build.
Okay, but don't do it. I need to do it 2 times. 2 times, so I need to do it in the egg. You're gonna get me out, Auntie. Can you hurry up before I get out?
Wait. Alright, hold on. Let me make sure I see it. 1, 2, 3, go! He has to get to that brown thing.
Oh, I don't want to.
Ah!
Where's the stickers? Where's the stickers?
I don't know. In my room.
Maybe not need them.
Alright, your turn to build.
Not you need them.
Alright. I'm gonna go under.
Tiny, you can do that fast.
You did it to me.
Tiny.
Just go. Oh. What the? One. 2.
Don't you take Tiny, please. If you take, I'm not gonna play with these anymore. I'm ready.
Okay, let's see her castle. One more try.
No.
Woo! I've got one thing down. My turn to build. Give me give me my babies. Okay, I'm gonna start right now. And here.
Daddy, I thought you said you're gonna get my mini toys.
They ran out. Maybe tomorrow.
No.
I don't know, Ma. What do you want me to do?
Alright, let's go!
You know I can pick one like this.
Just go!
Okay, relax. Oh!
Second try. Alright. This is your last try.
It's my last time.
Come on.
I can do it.
Just throw it.
Right in my legs.
I'm gonna do it again and you don't need to do it. It's gonna be super hard.
Oh shit.
Where am I? Oh, right, ladies and gentlemen. No, you can't do that.
I can.
Whatever. Hey, that's not fair.
It is.
That's so much fair. Yes, it is.